Greetings of the day, everyone. Hereby, in this video, I am going to explain about the topic cooling system in tractor. So, as an introduction, I'm gonna say, wait a minute. So, as an introduction, I'm gonna say the cooling system in a tractor, which maintains the engine, that is, it may be a motor driven engine or a battery driven engine at an optimal operating temperature. So, efficient cooling, which ensures the higher performance, which reduces the wear and prevents overheating and extends the shelf life of the components. So, in order to attain the efficient cooling, in order to attain the higher performance in a tractor engine, so this cooling system is mandatory. Then, hereby, if a high temperature is caused, the problems which can occur, such as pre-ignition, detonation, knocking, and the burning of valves and the failure of lubrication system. In case of lower temperature, faster wear of parts, wearing and tearing effects can be faster, and the fuel consumption may be more, and the condensation of water in soil can be attained. So, if the temperature is high, some problems may occur, and if the temperature is low, many problems can occur. So, in order to detonate these higher temperature and lower temperature problem, the engine should be optimized, work in the optimal temperature in order to attain the efficient working and smooth working. To efficient working and smooth working, cooling system is used in the tractors. Not only in tractors, in all the automobile vehicles. So, the purpose of cooling, in order to maintain the optimum temperature of an engine for the efficient operation, as I have discussed in the earlier slide, in order to dissipate the surplus heat production, and in order to maintain the lubrication system is also, the cooling system can be used. The classification of cooling system. So in this slide, you can see the classification, such as the air cooling system. Majorly, it is categorized into two, air cooling system and water cooling system. In the water cooling system, again, it is categorized into three types, that is the thermosiphon system, impeller thermosiphon system, and the pump circulation system. Again, the pump circulation system is classified into open system and pressurized system. I am getting deeper into this slide. The classification of cooling system for the internal combustion engine tractors, the air cooling system is used. The air cooling system is used in smaller tractors and even in older models also. The major components used in air cooling system is the cooling fins and the fan, as we know, the structure of fan, and the cowling. The working principle here is air is forced over engine, and the fins using a fan is rotating. By rotating, the cool air is passed inside the engine. The engine can be cooled down. So, this is the working principle. The air is forced over engine, and fins using fan, it started rotating and the cool air is passing. Hereby, the advantages is simple, lightweight, and no coolant oil is needed. And the limitation here in the air cooling system is less effective in hot conditions, and it is so noisy. Then liquid cooling system. It is more common in modern tractors. Liquid, that is the water cooling system. It is common in modern tractors. The component here used, a major component used here is the radiator, water pump, thermostat, fan, and coolant for passing hoses. The working principle here is the coolant circulates through the engine, it absorbs the heat and carries into the radiator. Radiator dissipates the heat into the air using a fan. and the radiator dissipates the heat into the air using a fan. The advantage here is effective cooling, quieter works in varying climates, and the limitation here is it requires maintenance, coolant leak, like coolant oil maybe leaks. So hereby we can see system one by one. Air cooling system. As I have explained here, this is the air cooling system is used. Then the efficiency of air cooling system, it depends on the area of winds. The efficiency is depending on the area of winds, the speed and quantity of air touching the fins, and the temperature of engines, and the fitting position of the engine, the conductivity of the metal used in the cylinder. The maintenance of air-cooled engine. As we all know, the fins should be dust and oil free, and the duct should be always properly positioned, and the duct should also be clean. And we have to keep the blower belt always properly, and no obstruction should be provided. The pros and cons of air cooling system and the pros and cons of the air cooling system are engine weight is less as there is no radiator or water pump, etc. But in air cooling engine, it provides produces the more sound. Engine required less space, and hereby the volumetric efficiency is less due to the higher volume occupying of the cylinder and the blowers. No water freezing hazards can be used in this air cooling system, but the air cooling system is not suitable for multi-cylinder engine. Then the water cooling system. The working principle of water cooling system, as the engine generates the heat due to the combustion, coolant absorbs the heat from the engine block. These are the blocks in this picture you can see. Engine block and the cylinder head. Then the heated coolant flows through the radiator. Then the radiator dissipates the heat into the air with the help of a fan. Then the cold fluid returns to the engine, and the thermostat regulates the coolant flow based on the temperature. This is the working of liquid cooling system. Then the batteries in electric tractors, how this water cooling system is working. Not water cooling, how the cooling system is working. Batteries operate efficiently in in 20 to 40 degrees Celsius range. It is efficiently working. Then cooling via metal plate or tubes come in contact with the cells of the batteries. Then the heat is transferred to the coolant, which moves to a radiator. The motor and the inverter cooling. Electric motor windings generate the heat during the operation. Liquid or the air enclosed and maintain the temperature. Comparison of the IC engine versus the EV cooling engine. Heat source. In IC engine, the heat source is combustion. But in the electric tractors, the heat source is motor, inverter or battery. The cooling medium used in the internal combustion engine is water or coolant. But in electric tractors, same air or coolant. Hereby in EV, we can't able to use water. Then the complexity in the internal combustion engine is moderate, but the complexity in the electric tractor is very high, like EV tractors. And the maintenance in EC engine, it will be a regular coolant check, like manually, but in EV tractor, there may be an indication mark. So the common issues in tractor cooling system are the coolant leakage, then the radiator clogging, and then the fan belt wear and rear. It may be a wear and rear tear expenses. Then the thermostat may be failure. Then overheating due to low content, low coolant. Then the hoses may be melt during the overheating. So in order to maintain, we have to check the coolant level regularly. We have to clean the radiator fins on the screen. We have to inspect hoses and connections for leak. We have to replace the coolant as per service and schedule. For EVs, we have to ensure fans, BMS sensors, and liquid circuits are operational. We can even use the advanced cooling technologies in EVs, that is the phase change cooling and the thermoelectric coolings and the active thermal management technology. Then the integration with solar panels for the fan power in off grid fields. So, as I'm concluding here, an efficient cooling system is essential for the reliable operation of tractors, whether it may be a diesel powered or electric. As tractor technology evolves, advanced and smart cooling solutions are playing a crucial role in ensuring system longevity and performance. I hope in this video, you have learned about this cooling system in tractor, its principle behind it, and how it's working. So, hope you understood. Thank you. See you in next class. Thank you.